Hello guys, I've got a problem. Every time I walk past the window naked, the old man across the road stares at me. It's got to the point where I can't even make a cup of tea now without him gawping at me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curtain so the window isn't just blank. It's got a curtain on it. Right, I don't know how to sew. Welcome to Life According to Bob. Bob is my uncle. He's not here at the moment. So my name is Lisping Glover, and I'm going to create something, and I don't know how to sew. So I'm going to do it without sewing, and hopefully this will enthuse all you guys who, i.e., haven't got a needle and thread or can't sew like me. Right, go to the shop, buy some fabric. I'm making, let me reiterate, please. I am making curtains. This is a piece of fabric. Get your favourite fabric. So I've bought a piece of fabric. Now, I've already started. So I'll just tell you where I'm up to. I bought a piece of fabric. There's my cup of coffee. And you have to get yourself some of this sticky back plastic. So I got that, right? I tried to use a knife and it was all messy, so I got myself a pair of scissors. So what I've done is I've got myself the fabric and I've turned it over. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Can you see that? I've turned it over and I've stuck the edge down. If you can see, it's the same width. So I've made it easy. So just fold. It's that one. Sorry, that was just white tape. I bought that by mistake. Or was it that one? No. So stick it down along the edge. Fold it over. Now I folded it over twice because it was still a bit long. So I've folded it over like so and stuck it down with sticky back plastic. Okay, now I'll pause you and I'll get the next section ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can you see how neat it is? I did not measure that. I just rolled that along the edge, stuck it down, and then stuck it down and did it twice. And it's nice and firm, and it's really sticky. I bought these cheapest chips from the charity shop, and these from the charity shop, or you can order them on the line. They are called curtain hoops. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I've already put this against the window and I've measured it and it's tickety-boo. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and stick them in. One moment, please. Okay, guys, I need to mention this. There's no screws or fittings on the actual wall itself, so I bought one of these things. It adjusts so you can stick it in between the wall. All will become apparent. 1 second, I will get the box. Here is the box. It's called a tension stick, or i.e. a tension rod, and it was only £3.50 from a shop in England called Boyes. Boyes, B-O-Y-E-S. Yes, you can. So I got one of them. There it is. I measured it with a tape measure, and then I took the tape measure to the shop and I measured that, and then realised the measurements are there. Okay, so anyway, I can't screw and I can't sew, so I'm doing all this with everyday objects that you may have around the home, or you can order or find for free. That one broken. Bastards. Anyway, okay, I'll pause you while I do the next section. Bye. Right, guys, the next section. Do 2 slits in the fabric like that. Slits. You can use scissors. I'm using a razor blade. Be very, very, very careful. Do 2 slits, and if I had special effects or knowledge of special effects, I would go and do that. But what I'll do is I'll pause you. Okay, 1 second, please. If you ever make kittens, you'll never be sad. It'll be the best thing you ever have. Boop, 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 boop. Okay? I just want to say, ladies and gentlemen, there has been absolutely no measuring. I've just done it by eye. And this is my own idea. This is my invention. So if you want to copy me, feel free. But just mention me. Life according to Bobbage. Okay, so that's that. Now what we do next is we put the hoops on. Right back. Okay, next section is completed. I've put the hoops on. Now are you following? Get yourself a piece of cloth, sticky back plastic, stick it on the edge, fold it over. There's absolutely no measuring. Do not measure, just do it by eye. It's artistic, it's rustic, and it's personal. Okay, next section, let's get the pole in. Call the pole in. Okay, guys, I've shoved my pole in. I'll crumple all that together when I get it up on the wall. As price is concerned, it was it $3.50 for the pole? Them things were pennies, and the fabric was a couple of quid, maybe a £5 to make your own curtains. But what about the satisfaction, eh? And you cannot buy curtains like this anywhere in Das Welt. That means the world in German. Das Welt. So it's not just a creative home making channel. We are a learning language channel. Das Welt. Okay, right, let's get it on the wall, shall we? Right back. Right, guys, equilibrium is restored. Now, no more nosy bastard neighbours. See where he is? I see his light going on overnight and the curtains switching. Anyway, about me. Boom! This is called a tension rod. You don't need any screws. You don't need any fittings, no drill. £3.50, guys, for peace of mind and sanity. Let's try it. Oh, I've never made these curtains before. This was just an experiment, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna see if anyone else needs some ideas for the privacy. So, and I can't sew, so let's try it. Screw you, Mr. Neighbour Man. I'm not going to go down because it's dirty dishes in the sink. But guys, what do you think? What do you think? Get it? What do you think? Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to show you how to make curtains without being able to sew or drill. Now I can dance around naked anytime I want. Can't I? Hey, Mr. Nosey Neighbour Man. Alright, that's all. Thank you very much. Oh, guys, listen. Uncle Bob, because this channel is called Life According to Bob. Uncle Bob said, please could you subscribe, because we will have fun, lots of ideas. I'm always thinking of stuff. And I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. How amazing is that, guys, to have 1,000 subscribers? Please subscribe and tell your friends and family. And we'll do stuff like this together. We won't be lonely anymore. We'll have each other. Okay, bye. See you. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. And that's just an idea. And I am over the moon with that. I'm made up. Look at that. Look at that. I can't stop looking at it. And choose any material. Just, you know what, guys? Get yourself to Boys. I'll do a little picture of that and a second-hand shop, and you can have that for a £5. Who needs GCSEs, A-levels? Not me. Bye. See you. Okay, guys. There's the Boysies. Right there. And this is the charity shop where I got the curtain hoops and the white things. I got the tape, the 6-pack plastic from either the Lidl or the Aldi. I can't remember what one. Bye. P.S. guys, this is my Uncle Billy, or Bill for short. Oh, sorry, Bill. And our next video is going to be him walking round the car boot sale. You won't see a lot of Uncle Billy because the camera is on his head, so it will be his view. But the video is about the beautiful people of Yorkshire, so that's what I'm editing at the moment, and that will be next. I might just leave it with its own sound, or I might do a beautiful piece of music. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and you will see that video next. Thank you. Bye bye. Toodle pip and pip skipping and bye. See you. Bye. Bye bye bye. PPS. I got the fabric also from the Boise's discount shop, but you can use absolutely any fabric you so do wish. Toodle.